If you want to write a request letter to a principal as a student, and or even if you are a parent wanting to write a request letter for a variation of reasons and requests, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in a professional, formal, informal, casual, whatever way you want to do it. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know. So let's get into it. So here we are writing our request letter to a school principal, and the first thing we want to do is just go ahead with our formalities. We want to add our name, our grade and class. We also want to include the school name. We want to add a date in here, and then we're going to skip a line and we are going to put in the principal's name, and we're going to go ahead again with the school's name, and we are going to say, "Dear principal's name." All right, so this is where we're going to start with the meat of this request letter. We're going to add in here, "I hope you are doing well, and I'm writing to request," and here you are going to state your request. This could be anything from permission to participate in a special or a specific event, or get permission for a specific thing that you would like. Also a meeting perhaps regarding academic progress. Whatever the case may be, you'll need to add in what you would like to actually discuss within this request. Then we're going to go down over here. We're going to just say, "I believe this will greatly benefit my learning and development." You can have whatever else supporting statement you want to add in here. And then you want to close off with saying, "Thank you for considering my request. I look forward to your response." And again, we're going to go in with the formalities. We want to say "sincerely." We want to add your name again, and here we go. We've got our entire letter. So here's all the details. You can also sign underneath your name if you would like to. If it is an email, you may not have the opportunity, so you can just have it exactly like this. This request letter to your school principal is a template. However, it can be used to have all your own information added in. I hope this video was helpful.